everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am coming in with an extra special card kit from White Rose Crafts. This is the Marvelous Men Card-Making Kit. This is not a part of the subscription program. This is a standalone kit that we have concocted just for the men in your lives. The thing we hear more than anything from anybody is that making cards for men can be really hard because so many products on the market are girly. So we've put together a kit just for the men in our lives. For the boys, for the men, for the grandfathers, for the uncles, for the boyfriends, whatever. You take your pick, it's the men. And maybe some of the women in your lives too. But we put together a kit that has a little bit of everything, that and slightly masculine side. We started with some Petaletics. We're starting with some Petalix cardstock, 3 sheets, and black wine cup, which is that deep red, and copper, and then some Craft Creation 6x6 paper. This is a collection of plaids and wood grains. There's 2 pieces of each design, and it's a really nice, fun collection of plaids. Like we said, we were really thinking about how do we design for men, and floral paper just isn't going to do it. So we broke out the plaids and a little bit of wood grain, thinking that could bring out the men in all of us. There's only so many men pens I can do. The stamp set included with this men's kit is a Tim Holtz Journey Road. So again, you're going to see a theme here. We've got lots of boating and vehicles and road trip and fishing and man stuff. So we've got the die set there, and then now we have a sticker set called Gone Fishing, and it's all fish themed. So again, with that, I guess fish isn't travel, but you can see we've kind of got a little bit of everything. We've got a craft decoupage sheet. We've actually have 2 decoupage sheets. This one's all about boating. And the next sheet, see, I'm pausing for dramatic effect, and my hands are still in the way. And the next sheet is all about tools and gardening. So both of these decoupage sheets are actually meant to be built up so that it becomes a 3-dimensional card. And they're super simple. If you've never used one, you're gonna love them. It's a way to make a really dramatic card with actually very little effort. So we have the 2 decoupage sheets, followed by the Kaiser Craft 12x12 card 6 stickers. So again, this is all travel themed, road trip themed, vehicle themed. So it kind of has that fun masculine flair again. And it lets you do a little bit of, I don't know, everything. I'm really excited to play with these stickers. I think they're going to really help make the cards pop. Additionally, we have 2 rolls of washi tape, both with an Argyle print. We have some Scrap Berry pigment ink. If you're not familiar with this ink, it's a pigment ink. I love how strong the color is, and I'm actually going to open it up and show you this. This is an olive. It's a great green color. And you can see that it's just a fantastic color. What I love most about the Scrap Berry ink is actually distressing straight from the cube onto my paper, because it's like butter. It stays wet a little bit longer, so if you actually enjoy embossing, you can emboss straight onto this pigment ink. And finally, we have these American Craft faceted metal accents in brush bronze. Again, just something to add a little bit of ephemera, or not ephemera, but a little bit extra glitter and pizzazz. This is a limited edition kit. When it's sold out, it is gone. But if you get it sold out fast, you will know there is definitely a market for a men's kit, and it won't be the last one on the that we create. So thanks for picking it. Thank you for tuning in today. It is live as of today. We are unboxing and going live on the same day, which is very, very exciting. Pop over and see what's going on at White Rose Crafts. Until then, happy crafting.